The IBEX combination wrench's design features two different profiles that give the wrench more functionality. These profiles are IBEX and Life. Due to its innovative shape, the IBEX combination wrench has a 3-point grip for greater force and 100% precise positioning. Both profiles ensure that the nut remains safe from damage, as the force is not placed on the corners of the nut when the wrench is in use. In comparison to standard wrenches, IBEX is much faster to work with, as it requires no removing while rewinding. With the IBEX combination wrench, you can easily reach hard-to-reach places. The IBEX combination wrench, an impeccable tool for easy and precise use.